Today we are tearing apart my API 3124 and changing out channels 3 and 4 op amps.
Alright, so this is the op amp that I'm replacing. Will melt pretty easily. So you see the 6 holes there, 4 on the left, 2 on the right. You're gonna align the new op amp according to that pattern.
Alright, so now that channels 3 and 4 have been replaced with a Rogue 5 discrete op amp from Louder Than Liftoff, I'm going to go ahead and test channels 1 to 4 with an SM7B directly into the API. This is API 3124 channel 1 with the original 2520 op amp. Check 1, 2, check, check. Channel 2 of the API 3124 with the original API 2520 op amp. Check 1, 2, check, check. Channel 3 with the brand new Louder Than Liftoff replacement part for the 2520. Check 1, 2, check, 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 check 1, 2. And lastly, this is the API 3124 channel 4 with the brand new Louder Than Liftoff replacement part for the 2520. Check 1, 2, check, check, check. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I get it, it's way over the top for what it is, but I enjoy editing video and making things way more cinematic and dramatic than they need to be. But I also like writing music, and if this video helped you out in any way, please like and subscribe. Thanks.